Learn Japanese Grammar 8そうです違いますそうね違う違う違う違う Our characters as usual ファティマさんです鈴木さんですレナンさんです友達ですパンクリームパン The bread has custard cream inside カレーパン The bread has curry inside Today we will learn how to agree and how to disagree そうです Yes そうです違います No 違います Let's recap the grammar from grammar 7これはパンですそれはパンですあれはパンです The pan, the bread close to Fatima-san We say She says これBetween あれ and これ The distance Middle She says それはパンです If the bread is far from Fatima-san She says あれはパンですこれはパンです For レナンさんHow can he say about this bread? そうですね。それはパンです。それはパンです。This bread is a bit far from レナンさん。For both of them, this bread is far from both of them.So they can say あれはパンですあれはパンですいいですね So we will learn そうです Yes 違います No これはカレーパンですかこれはカレーパンですかレナンさん Askパン屋さん She can say はいカレーパンですはいカレーパンです It's okay but カレーパン We don't need to say twice カレーパン So instead of はいカレーパンです She said はいそうですはいそうです Because this is カレーパンファティマさんです。She thinks this bread is curry bread. So she asked, これはカレーパンですかこれはカレーパンですかパン屋さん She can say, いいえ、no, カレーパンじゃありません。It is not curry bread, she can say, but we don't need to repeat カレーパン again. So, she said, いいえ、no, 違います。それはクリームパンです。そうです。違います。In speaking, そうです。We can say another word or we have another way to say そうねそうだ all of them show agreed or yeah I agree with you or something you're right 違います We can say 違うよ違うんだ No, you're not right or we can say using these other words but it's a informal way to say. So this one also a bit informal. This one is also informal. So at office it's better to say そうです or 違います but conversation between friends or family, it's okay using these. So let's watch.
もっとたくさんの人が助かりますよね。そうね。
In this scene, Tanjiro, he said more people can be saved, right? Asked Tamayo-san, her, and she agreed. So she said, そうね. Let's watch another one.
違う。
In this scene, the demon, his name is Muzan. He is very strong demon. But when he was walking on the street and someone said to him, you are weak or you look like dead or something. So he was insulted and then he disagreed with the idea that he is weak. So he said, 違う. He repeated 4 times, so he emphasis, he disagree. So let's get back to our role play at convenience store. コンビニでいらっしゃいませ。これはスパイシーチキンですか？これはスパイシーチキンですか？スパイシーチキン、スパイシーチキン or チリチキン。はい、そうです。はい、そうです。じゃあ、これください。Where can I get one? じゃあ、これください。じゃあ、これください。はい、400円です。スイカで。はい、お願いします。タララン。こちらお品物とレシートです。Here, your good and receipt. ありがとうございました。Thank you very much. Informal conversation. これ、カレーパン？そうそう。いや、それカレーパンとちゃうで。クリームパンやで。鈴木さん he comes from Osaka, so he use ちゃうで。やで。But ちゃうで is, it's not カレーパン。It is クリームパン。There is something like shorter version of this. But people from Tokyo, this person would say, いや、それ違うクリームパン。In this conversation, Fatima-san asked, これカレーパン is this curry bread? And Renan-san didn't know, but he think that's カレーパン. So he said, そうそう。That he agreed, oh, that's curry pan. But Suzuki-san, he knew that was not curry bread. So, いや、それカレーパンとちゃうで。クリームパンやで。Let's watch again.
もっとたくさんの人が助かりますよね。そうね。違う。
I hope you get the sentences. 見てくれてありがとう。